First, definition of a job interview. What is a job interview? A job interview is a meeting between an interviewer and a job applicant. The goal is to find out if the applicant has the right skills and the qualification for the job. A job interview is an important step in the process of hiring new employees in a company. After an applicant sends their job application and CV, the company usually invites them to meet and do an interview. In this session, someone from the company, usually from HR or a manager, will ask questions about the applicant, such as their work experience, education, skills, reason for applying, and how they would handle different challenges or situations in the workplace. There are different types of interviews. They can be face-to-face, over the phone, or through video calls. There can be one interviewer or more, depending on the company. The interview may happen in several steps, starting from the first meeting and continuing with more interviews if needed. In short, a job interview is a chance for applicants to show who they really are, not just what is written on their CV. It also helps the company decide if the applicant is the right person for the job. Next, the purposes of a job interview. What are the purposes of a job interview? Job interview have several purposes, both for the company and the job applicants. The main purpose of a job interview is to find out if a candidate is a good fit for the position available at the company. During the interview, the interviewer can check the candidate's skills, experience, and personality to make sure they meet the job requirements. Another purpose of a job interview is to provide information to the candidate about the company and the position being discussed. It gives the candidate the opportunity to learn more about the work environment, job responsibilities, and position requirements. In addition, a job interview can also be used to strengthen the relationship between the company and the candidate. The interview can help the candidate feel more valued and appreciated by the company. And it helps the company create a positive impression on the candidate. So, overall, the purpose of a job interview is to see if the candidate is a good fit for the job, to share information about the company and the position, and to build a good relationship between the company and the candidate.
Now I will tell you about the preparation before facing a job interview. There are several preparations that need to be done in order to appear more confident and give a good impression to the company. Here are some things that need to be prepared before facing a job interview. First, learn about the company and the position being applied for. Applicants must dig up as much information as possible about the company and the position you are applying for. Find out about the company profile, its vision and mission, the products or services offered, and everything related to the company. In addition, find out about the job description and qualifications needed for the position being applied for. Second, prepare answers to common questions that are usually asked in interviews. There are several common questions that are often asked in job interviews, such as tell me about yourself, what makes you interested in this position, or what are your strengths and weaknesses. Prepare answers to this question so that you can answer clearly and in a structured manner. Third is practice job interviews. Prepare yourself by practicing answering interview questions. You can practice with friends or family, or even by recording yourself watching the recording again to assess your performance. And fourth is ensure a neat and polite appearance. Ensure a neat and polite appearance when facing an interview. Wear clothes that are appropriate for the position you are applying for. And make sure your appearance is clean and neat. And the last one is prepare the necessary documents. Prepare the necessary documents such as a cover letter, CV, and other supporting documents. You can make sure the documents are well prepared and there are no spelling errors. Now let's move to the next topic, which is about the type of interviews. There are 6 types of interviews, including first, behavioral interview. This assesses candidate responses based on past experience. For example, tell me about the time when you faced conflict within a team and how you resolved it. Second is technical interview. It is testing technical skills relevant to the position. For example, show me how you would write down to search for data in a database. And third is group interview. Several candidates are interviewed together, usually to see team dynamics. For example, group discussion on marketing solutions for a new product. Fourth is phone interview. It is conducted over the phone as an initial selection. For example, what motivated you to apply to this company? And the fifth is panel interview. Candidates are interviewed by several interviewers at once. For example, HR, managers, and users ask various aspects in turn. And the last one is second interview. It is conducted after the first interview, usually more in-depth and technical. For example, is practical session or case study after passing the initial selection.
Job interview process. 1. Preparation before the interview. The company prepares by setting the interview schedule, choosing the interviewer, and preparing the question. 2. Initial meeting. The candidate meets the interviewer. At this stage, the company introduces itself and provides details about the position. 3. General question. The interviewer asks general questions about the candidate education, work experience, skills, and reason for applying. 4. Technical question. The interviewer asks technical questions related to the job position. 5. Closing. At the end, the candidate can ask questions or share any additional information that has been covered. Mistakes to avoid in a job interview. Here are some common mistakes to avoid during a job interview. 1. Lack of preparation. Make sure to prepare by learning about the company and the job you are applying for. Also, practice answering common interview questions. 2. Losing focus. Stay focused on the question. Avoid going off topic or bringing up unrelated matters. 3. Being too honest. Honesty is important, but not everything needs to be shared. For example, it's better not to talk about bad experience. 4. Showing no interest. Show genuine interest in the company and the role. You can do this by researching beforehand and asking thoughtful questions during the interview. 5. Rushing answer. Don't rush your response. Take a moment to think and give clear, thoughtful answer. And the last, lack of manners. Always be polite and respectful, not just to the interviewer, but also to the receptionist and anyone else you meet during the process.
Common question during interviews. Aside from evaluating performance, there are also several questions that are commonly asked during a job interview. This question helps the interviewer get to know the candidate better, not just their experience, but also their goals, attitude, and how they fit the company culture. Here are some points that are usually asked in an interview. 1. Can you tell me about yourself? 2. What are your strengths? 3. What are your weaknesses? 4. Why did you leave your last job? 5. Tell us about your education. 6. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? 7. What kind of your salary do you expect? 8. Do you have any question for me or us? So, by preparing for this common question, we can improve our confidence and make a better impression during the interview. Job interview assessment. The assessment of job interview result is usually carried out by companies or prospective employers to evaluate the abilities and qualification of prospective employees. Here are some of the factors that are often considered in the assessment of job interview result. 1. Quality of answer. 2. Communication skill. 3. Appearance and behavior. 4. Work experience. 5. Personality and interpersonal skills. Each company may have different assessment criteria depending on their needs and position requirements. However, by considering the above factors, companies can assess prospective employees more accurately and select the right employees for available positions.
That's all our presentation. We hope your interview goes well.
Bye!